Look what's happened to our stable. A table.
Flowers. Look, goldenrod.
Don't do it. Take him away. By dose. By hay fever. You know I can't stand it. I can't.